Xbox 360 controller. Alright guys, it's my Xbox 360 controller. I'm going to show you guys how to take this apart. And this is really a useful guide, because it can show you how to, I guess, repair your controller if you break it. Alright, first you're going to need an Xbox controller. Put that over there. And a Torx 8 screwdriver. Now, the main thing in the controller is going to be this. This is the chip. It goes right in there, if you can see it on the back. Two joysticks right here. Triggers. Alright, set that aside. Alright, but yeah, get your Torx 8 screwdriver. Now, take off your battery pack, and you're going to see, if you can see right there, there's a screw right there that is going to be under a label. You're going to have to take off that label and you'll find it. But, just going to take your Torx 8 screwdriver and take off all of the screws. Shouldn't take long. It's very simple. Now, some people are scared when they do this, that they're going to break something. Now, let me tell you right now, on this chip, if you like, I guess, flick it, or I guess a little scratch, it will not do much damage. I mean, it will probably still work and everything, but it still works. Alright, almost done. Last one, I think. Okay, hold on. Okay, there they go. And what you're going to do is just take the back off. If you can see it, how it's coming off, right? Ooh, okay, there it goes. And then there goes your back. Set that aside and you'll have this. Now, I took my vibrator things out. You don't have to, but you can if you want. And just, well, you can take this off right here. But, I mean, when you're taking this off, make sure it's facing down, or else all the buttons will fall out. So, alright, you just took this off, and you have this. Now, if you're trying to, I guess, these are sticking. I guess if there's like residue or something in between, if you can see, just, you're not going to break it, just pull up and it comes right off, and then you'll get this little kind of like spoke thing. Alright, now other one, pull up, and there you have it. This is it. Now, if you're trying to repair stuff, it's way easier, like put a new trigger on, new joysticks, or if you just need to, like, I guess you can mod something. But yeah, and then if you want, you can take, hold on, take this piece off. This one is kind of easy, just, if you can see it's on it, just pull up, got that taken apart, and these just come straight off. Now, here goes the D-pad, there's screws in there, and these are the buttons, just like, pop them out, if you want to pop them out. Hold on. Okay, guide button. Mine, I peel off my metal thing to make it look cooler. And yeah, that's how you do it. Just take it here. See how all those just fell out? This one, my start button's actually kind of sticky. Just fell out. D-pad's easy to take off. Everything's really easy to take off. that's pretty much how you do it, and then you'll end up getting this. Alright, thanks for watching this tutorial on how to repair and take apart an Xbox 360 controller. See you guys.